In this video, we will be looking about how to start a Google account. First of all, why you should need to start a Google account. If you need to use Google services like YouTube, Google Map, Play Store, Gmail, Google Photos, etc., you need a Google account. So let's check how to start a Google account. First, what you need to do is open any mobile browser. After opening mobile browser, search for Google Sign-in. When you search for Google Sign-in, you will see a result like this. Click on this result. Now you will reach a page like this. Here you can see Create Account. Click on that Create Account. In that you can see three options: for my personal use, for my child, for work or my business. If it's for personal use, select for my personal use. I am selecting for my personal use. After that, fill your first name. Then fill your second name. After that, type username which you would like to get. After typing username, press enter. If that username is not available, it will show that username is taken. So try different username. Here you can see some suggestions. If you want, you can select any username from these suggestions, or you can enter your own username and check whether it is available. Anyways, I am selecting this username. After that, here you can see password. Type the password that you want to set. Password should be of minimum 8 characters. After typing password, enter next. Then you will be redirected to new page. Here they will be asking your phone number. Enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, click next. When you click next, you will get one verification code in your mobile number. Copy that mobile number and paste it here. I have pasted that verification code. After that, press verify. Now if you want to add a recovery email address, you can do that. It's optional. If you want, you can add. It's better to add recovery email address because if anything happens to this account, you can easily recover using that email ID. After that, enter your date of birth. After that, enter your gender. After that, here you can say next. Click on that next. Now you will reach new page. Click on yes, I am in. When you click on that, privacy and terms page will come. Scroll down and press I agree. Now your Google account is ready. If you want to use this Google account in any Google services like Google Play Store, YouTube, Photos, what you should do is open these services. For example, I am opening YouTube. After opening YouTube, here you can see profile button. Click on that profile button. After that, here you can see current account you are using. Click on that. When you click on that, you will see all Google IDs you have logged in. We want to log in our new Google ID too. For that, here you can see plus button. Click on that plus button. When you click on that, it will ask to verify. Either you can use fingerprint sensor or you can use your phone pin code. I am using fingerprint sensor. Then you will be asked to sign in. Here enter your email ID that you have created. After entering email ID, click next. Now you will be asked to enter password. Enter password here. After entering password, click on next. And in next page, click on yes, I am in. After that, in the next page, click I agree. Now you can see this new account here. Click on this profile. Now you can see that in YouTube, I am logged in using this new account. If you want to log into Play Store or Google Photos or Gmail, these procedures are same. And another thing is that if you are using Android phone, if you log into any Google services and in the next Google services, you don't need to sign in separately in that app. For example, I am opening Google Play Store. After opening Google Play Store, click on this profile button and click here. When you click here, you can see this new email ID here. You don't need to separately log in here also. So this is all in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.